It's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the Calendar Girl Outdoor Collaboration. Our hosts are Shabby Meets Bling and the Statement Designs. Please check out their amazing channels, and I can't wait to show you what I've done for my porch and my garden for July 4th. Set of rain boots. I got these on Amazon. They're mixed peonies and pansies, and they come in red, white, and blue. I got a pack of blue, I got a pack of white, and I got a pack of red. Because where I'm at on the front porch, I can't get plants to grow here, and I want mixed colors for the 4th of July and summer. I just filled my boots with dirt, and I'm going to start adding the different colors. And I want them mixed. So that's all I'm going to do. And this is going to be on my front porch for the 4th of July. And I'm going to do all my pots this way. And the big thing is to make sure all the colors, the red, white, and the blue, are in all the pots. And that's how I'm going to decorate my pots for the summertime. And these are resistant, UV resistant, and I don't have to worry about watering them. I did the same with this one, only of course a lot more. And I only got 3 packs, and it did all 3 of my containers, which was really actually a good deal, because live plants will not live back in the corner and here on my this far in on my porch, because we don't get enough water or sunlight. Here's my other one. As you can see, there was quite a few blooms in that container, in the 3 containers. My porch for the 4th of July. Of course, I'm going to bring my mount in. But there's a DIY I made in another collab. And welcome sign. We've had that for a while. Here's our angel planer that we did, that I did the mixed pansies in, and our door wreath. I did this in a thrifting one because my husband was going to throw out the garden hose. I just add the bow and the flowers to the garden hose and created this little garden wreath. This is my front porch and landscaping for the 4th of July. I zip tied my little banners onto the rail, and when the one keeps flipping over. And I also added my Yorkie flag and these little flags out front, and they all light up. You'll see them right now. This is what they look like at night. I think they're so pretty. And I also have some watering cans that looks like they're spilling water out into my containers. So I think they turned out really pretty, and they survived 2 really big storms. We had over 100-mile-an-hour winds, and they're still looking really good. They've held up really good, as bad as the wind is here in Northwest Ohio. I hope you enjoy my garden, and I hope this gives you some ideas of some things you can do in yours.